What the heck happened to the stock of Costco last week? When Costco reported, its quarter was almost universally panned by the media. The results were allegedly, and I'm going to put little quote marks there, allegedly weaker than expected. And the stock dropped almost 5% in pre-market trading. Let's just write down here. But because I read the conference call the night before, I knew the headlines were wrong. The quarter was fine, and the stock had to be bought in a weakness. Sure enough, you made a quick 10 points if you bought Costco into the panic. You know what? I think it's got more room to run. So how does the stock go up when it's supposed to be down, when all the commentary is negative? Okay, when Costco reported, the headline number looked to be far from good. In fact, some people thought it were disturbing. However, if you've been following Costco for any amount of time, you had to know there were so many moving parts here to this quarter that the headline numbers were borderline meaningless. Sure, if management forecasting, say, a 7% same-store sales growth and the actual number comes in at 5%, a big disappointment, well, that's one thing. That's going to freak people out. But in reality, Costco delivered 5% when Wall Street was looking for just a little bit more. And it wasn't decisively disappointing at all, which is why you had to dive into the conference call to make your own determination you couldn't use the headlines. Although, obviously, judging by this, many people did choose the headlines. That's how I knew the quarter was better than it looked. Plus, it didn't hurt that the analysts who followed Costco roundly approved of the quarter in their notes the next day. In fact, many of them actually raised their price targets, even as the headlines would have had you believe that the numbers deserved to be cut, and they would be taking the price targets down.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.